See encounters also and we see civilian killings.
Okay, the first is that somebody is wanting to know about yesterday's operation. My sincere condolences for the losses we have suffered yesterday. This operation is still ongoing. There's a ultimate sacrifice that has been given by the brave soldiers. This is part of a different core zone where the operation is happening. I like to comment upon my own area. The operations here, which have been ongoing for last few days, is a standard process of operations based on intelligence. So I will not like to connect it to any events before or after in view of these operations which have been happening for last 2 days in our Kashmir.
Civilian killing has been
Yeah.
observed. Sir, what is your take
Any
on
other
that?
questions?
बाहर के क्या कह रहे हैं कि बाहर के कुछ मिलिटेंट्स भी कर रहे हैं बहुत आजकल.
Look, after having kept for some time, this is an opportunity for, this is the last ditch opportunity for our inimical agents across to ensure that they can push back certain terrorist and terrorist groups. We have been getting inputs, you are well aware. There were 2 such infiltration attempts, especially in the Uri and Rampur sector, where not only foiled, they were neutralized and eliminated. These inputs will keep on coming, and I can assure you that we are absolutely vigilant on the LC. We will not allow any infiltration to come through. 1 or 2 which will come through will be eliminated with the help of the people of Kashmir inside the Kashmir Valley.
Sir, what measures have been taken by the army to counter these infiltration attempts?
The measures are already in place. You are fully aware of all of 300 youth who have been selected for various courses in a joint venture which is within Indian Army and Mewar University, wherein they will be given a variety of courses from diploma to graduation to post-graduation courses. And the good part is that these children have been selected over a period of good process, and they are just likely to pay about 30,000 rupees for courses which are going to be costing about 1.5 to 2 lakh rupees per annum. Their entire facility, including hostel, faculty, studies, books, is absolutely free, which is being looked after by a joint venture of Indian Army and Mewar University. It's an outstanding venture. I think it'll allow our youth from Jammu, Kashmir and Ladakh to learn the various skill sets which are required for acquiring jobs and doing well for the society and the country.
Sir,
Or take out any forces. I've got enough forces to ensure.
Sir, a couple of days back, some militant activities have been increased in the city, especially in the Srinagar city. Sir, what is your take on that?
No. Firstly, I don't think there has been a increase or something, but yes, there has been certain civilian killings. Each and every loss is an important loss for the family, for our country. I can assure you these are levers which are being driven from across the LC, and we have to be very careful to ensure that the communal harmony of our people of Kashmir Valley should not be broken in view of these brutal and condemnable killings. Thank you so much.